this is Dr. Nikki, and today I want to talk about really children looking at the equality sign and understanding it as is the same as, so 5 plus 5 is the same as 10, or 10 is the same as 5 plus 5, and really looking at the equality sign and the missing number. Where does that missing number show up? What the research says is that non-routine problems really kind of throw children for a loop. And so we're going to look at a game that you can do with children to help them stay engaged and actually learn how to solve problems like this. And so with that, we're going to get started. All right, so fill in is really where you're trying to get the kids to fill in the missing number. So there's a couple of games you can play. One game is just a flashcard game. You make a bunch of flashcards just like this. And then the kids go, oh, 5 minus 1 is 4. And then they show their partner, and their partner can see the answer on the back. If they get it right, they get to keep it. If they get it wrong, they have to put it at the bottom of the pile. And so, oh, 2 minus 0 is 2. My partner checks to see if it's correct or not. If it's correct, again, I keep it. And if it's incorrect, then it goes to the bottom of the pile. We just keep taking turns. Whoever has the most cards at the end wins. It's very simple. The next game is where the children, they just have some of these on the board and they roll their dice. This is a fun game, and so they have these on the board and they roll their dice. Now, I'm rolling, my partner's rolling, and we're trying to get a number that will fit in one of the boxes. And if we get the number, then we get to take the card. So I roll, I get 6. 6 doesn't go in anyone, so my roll is just passed. My partner rolls, they get 4. 4 doesn't go in anything, so that's 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, so I get to keep this card. So then my partner goes, they get 1. 6 minus 5 is 1, so they get to keep this card. And we just keep going, and if we get the number that we can use to fill in, then we collect the card. Whoever collects the card, has the most cards after the game is done, wins. And you don't have to use a dice. You can use a spinner, and you can also use just playing cards or something. I use lots of times I use Uno cards because they're real colorful. So that's fill in. That's 2 ways to address this missing add-in number. Remember, gamification, right? The idea that you take academically rigorous content and you put it in the form of a game means you have engaged learning. And when you have engaged learning, then you have student achievement. Because if kids can stay engaged in the game, then they can learn the concepts. Thank you for joining us today. And as always, happy mathing, Dr. Nikki.